They're hot.
Yeah.
Bolts are hot. Jason, can you scoot over a little bit? Jason, take this one off. Here. Okay. Here, put this bracket somewhere.
I'll put it.
Yeah.
Dad, where's that putting this in the power thing? I'll go. Yeah.
Bring it closer to the parts bin.
Well, this is a Dad, this is, you thought this is a purple? No, it's a bolt bin. It's a bolt bin.
Okay, it's a bolt bin. Wow, water coming out.
Why?
Because this engine's got hydrolocked, I think.
Maybe we have to pull this apart first. Then I'll take. Let's see if this is.
Oh my goodness. It's all water. Look. Look. This engine was hydrolocked because oil cooler gasket has...
Wash that part.
No, that's not the wrong with the part. This part is going to be fine. It doesn't hurt it. But the problem is that because water got inside, it made the engine not work good. So we're just going to put it right there.
No, I'm not to try it. That's not good.
The wrong socket. There's a chance of messing this up. It's also wet.
Yeah, so also water too.
Yeah.
All of them has water.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Dad, you want to put this in the part bin?
Yes. Here. Put this there.
Dad, there's no biggies for what?
I can't believe that they installed these bolts from the back. Why would they do that?
I don't
It
know.
makes the job a whole lot harder because hold on a second. I think, hold on Jason, stand back. See this piece that you ruined, that piece. That was the last part that was holding down the turbo. Jason, can you give me that?
That we have worse in here.
Mm-hmm.
Grown-ups that mess up things, everything, and they throw parts away. They think this is not a junkyard at all. This is a part. This is a part garage.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna make myself to be strong.
Jason, you want to do this bolt?
Yeah.
All you have to do is just keep doing that to it. Like that. Here. I found a better way. Let me see if we could put this on.
That sometimes this can work.